Hi, Kelly here from HVAC.com. Today I'm going to show you how to change the number 35 water panel on your Aprilaire 600 whole home humidifier in just a few easy steps. Remember, before you begin any maintenance, your first steps are to turn off the water supply, unplug the system, and turn off the electrical source to the furnace. To replace the water panel, first remove the cover from the 600 humidifier. This is done by pressing the tabs at the bottom and at the top of the unit. And you'll notice on a new water panel there's a white metal mesh coating that's all over the panel. This white coating actually helps the evaporation process of the humidifier. As the water panel wears, this coating deteriorates and you build up mineral deposits in the water panel. These two factors actually hinder the performance and effectiveness of your humidifier. This is why it's very important to replace this water panel at least once per humidification season. To remove the water panel from the unit, first move the water feed tube out of the way, grasp the two tabs on the water panel frame, and pull it from the unit. The water distribution tray is located at the top of this frame. So when you remove this distribution tray, go ahead and check it for any mineral deposits and rinse it if necessary. Slide the tray out of the frame and replace it with your new water panel. When you replace the water panel, make sure that the colored dots are at the top of the frame. Replace the water distribution tray and slide the frame back into the humidifier, bottom first, and snap into place. With the Aprilaire 600, your automatic humidistat will notify you with a yellow indicator light when it is time to change your water panel. If you have the 600M, you will have to use other resources to remind yourself when it's time to perform your seasonal maintenance. If you need any or all parts replaced, there is an Aprilaire 600 maintenance kit, part number 4839. Remember, you can always consult your owner's manual to get these step-by-step instructions in more detail. Or, if you feel most comfortable, you can have your contractor perform these annual maintenances for you.